A long time no see, everyone. What have I been doing? Oh, let me pause this. Alright, I'm sorry, I had to round up my dog. It's a new spot, so he's just wandering around sightseeing. But yeah, so what I've been up to, I've been back home, getting the RV, working on it. Fixing the lights, I fixed everything so I could get it inspected and get it licensed in Kentucky, which I've got it done. It's finished. Alright, back again. That dog is, what's he smelling of? Anyway, I gotta keep an eye on him. It's a new place and he's really trying to explore. I don't want him to get too far away. But anyway, as I was saying, I got there it is. Got the RV finished, licensed, Kentucky plate, Kentucky insurance, registration, and the scooter. Got it transferred in my name. I bet the original owners, the people I bought it from, are happy with that. Which I told them it was going to be a while. You know, I told them about March. Got to keep an eye on the dog. And coronavirus, all that was still in this, kind of messed some things up, but we got it done. So, yeah, got the RV transferred, licensed, and we're good to go. So I come out here to one of my old spots. Some of y'all probably don't remember this. A few of you do. Some of you have been with me a long time, so you might recognize it. I haven't been here in probably 3 years. It's free camping. I'm trying to think what it's called. I know I'm spacing out here. It's not Corps Engineers, and it's not Beyond the Lamb, and not like that. It's kind of like Missouri's conservation areas. It's sort of, you know, like that. Anyway, make sure I find my dog. He's still there, right there. But it's free. I've been coming here for years, but it's been probably, I know it's been 2 years. I know that for a fact, but I think it's been 3 years since I've been here. Still looks the same. Still beautiful. Wooded area, lake in the middle of the woods. I have noticed, where I just turn you around. It's probably because of the coronavirus silliness, you know, maybe short staff, but it is quite a bit of trash around here. It didn't used to be like that. The grass hasn't been mowed, but that's not, you know, that's nothing to pick about. They don't, from the last time I was here, they don't mow it every single day anyway. I've probably seen it mowed about 3 times the whole summer that 1 year I was here, so. But the trash is really bad, and that's not even the caretakers, the government, you know, county, city, whoever takes care of it. That's the people coming out here using it. They're the ones trashing it. And sad to say, it's really, this is the worst I've ever seen it. And then again, it could just be this particular spot I'm at right here, because this is the prime spot everybody tries to get, and I got it this time. Don't ever come on a weekend and try to get a good camping spot here or anywhere, because that's when everybody's already here camping. Wait Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whatever, midweek, then you can get a good spot. If you look over there, I know you can't see it, I'm using my phone. Over there's, oh, it's been so long since I've been here. I think there's 7, maybe 5. I think there's 5 spots you can get a moderate size RV, not no Class A, but you can get a smaller travel trailer, and depending on how good you can drive and back up, you can probably get just 1 or 2 spots you can probably get a 30-footer in. Plenty of tent camping though, and them are little piers, so to speak, you can fish above. They're all the way around the lake, but right over there you can get RV over there, but it's mainly would be good for tent camping. It's really nothing designated as camping. But in this spot, usually I keep it to myself. No one ever tries to crowd in on me, but they possibly could. It's big enough for 2 here, which would be a bummer if they did. But you got all this backyard to yourself. That's why you can always try to get this one, to get away from the boat dock and all the whatnot over there. Now, I don't know if they're still here, but when I used to come here, and the last time that I was actually here, there was 2 eagles. They would always come from that corner over there and fly around this lake, you know, catch fish, I guess. And there was tons of beavers here late at night. Well, not late at night, but up in the afternoon. All this little slip right here, there'd be 15 or 20 beaver out there. And I enjoy seeing that stuff. But yeah, I think I'm gonna hang out here. I'm not gonna say the name of the place because I think I'm gonna camp here for quite a while. At least a week, maybe 2, I don't know. But the past, I'd say 2 weeks, maybe 3. Here comes the hiccups, never fails. But the past 2 weeks, oh goodness, have been quite stressful for me. Nothing really bad, just dealing with the RV and the red tape of bringing something out of state. And so what I do is get this section inspected by the sheriff, just from the door up. And then I had to get this section from the door back inspected by the fire marshal. And getting that two things lined up, you know, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it was still a hassle. And then I had to get a lot of stuff fixed before I could even get the inspection done. And that turned out to be a circus. But either way, we're not going to dwell on that. It's done. Got a Kentucky title on the way, got a Kentucky tag on the back, so it all worked out. We're not going to sit there and dwell on that. But it was, yeah, it was stressing me out a little bit. I won't deny it. But anywho, come here, Russ. You got to stay on this side, buddy. Yeah, stay over here. I don't want you by the road. It's not really a road here, but the gravel that people come in on. It dead ends right here, but it's all around the lake. And are you drinking that muddy old water? You got what? Well, whatever, dog. I got him fresh, clean water, and he wants to drink that old muddy, whatever it is, and walk right through it. Couldn't went around it, had to go right through it, didn't you? But yeah, let me pause this. It's getting long. We'll come back after the afternoon, get some dinner going or whatever, and come out here and see if the Meagles are out. We'll be back. Well, we've been all settled in here for about 3 or 4 hours now. Old crusty Rusty doing what he does. I'm glad we got here when we did, because there's been about, I'd say 4 to 5 vehicles come down here, 2 of which being campers. And I think I hear one coming now, but I know they're wanting this spot. So we got here just in time, because 2 of the ones that came down here you can't see in front of a van, they went to the next one over and put up tents. So I'm glad I got here when I did. The old sun has went in, it's clouded up. It was supposed to rain today. Anyway, I'm glad it didn't, but I think rain's coming in. It's a lot darker back in there. But yeah, we got here just in time. Old Russ has explored everything, and he's over there laying on the dirty old concrete, checking things out. So the day is coming to an end. Had a little campfire. I really didn't do much today. Just got here. Well, the snow's the color of the trees. That's really pretty. Yeah, I just got here and kind of set up the camp, and well, not so much set the camp up, just the inside the RV. Got it set up, and I don't know, laid around, just enjoyed the day, you know. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a big clean. Just seen him. Okay, distracted. Little mouse just run through I was looking at the fire, but right over here, a little mouse caught my attention. I don't know if it showed up or not. Oh, let me get my dog. Hang on. He's a wandering off. There he is. I gotta keep him close by. You can't see. Here comes my buddy. Here comes my buddy. Oh, goodness gracious. He's my pup, ain't you? Ain't you, old pal? He's a great dog. I gotta keep him close by. There's some campers over there. He loves it out here. Sidetracked what we was talking about. But anyway, I set that shop for, no goodness, I don't know. I was probably there a week in the parking lot of the shop, and unfortunately, he had to stay in the RV. You know, I let him might use the restroom and everything, but he couldn't really get out, so he's loving his freedom back. I usually just let him run, do what he wants, but there's some campers over there. You can't really see them, but some tent campers, so he won't bother them. I just try to keep him, you know, just not to be over aggravating. He would never bother him, but anywho. Oh yeah, I know what I was saying. Today, we just kind of sat around being bums. I didn't get here till about 1 o'clock, but tomorrow I'm gonna start the deep clean on the old ORV. And the little survey I took, everybody said I should paint these stripes blue, so that's what I'm gonna do. This to the end is gonna be blue. Then this one, as you can see, it goes all the way down to the door, it's gonna be blue. And the bottom one, it's gonna be blue. Metallic. I'm kind of going for like a mix between navy and metallic blue. That's what it is they're doing. Anyhow, tomorrow though, man, it's a pretty tree. But tomorrow I'm gonna get up, you know, just decent time. Try to be out of bed by 7. I'm gonna sleep in a little bit in the morning. Drink me a little coffee, and then I'm gonna get started on doing a good deep clean inside this RV. Is take everything out. Well, I've got a good spot to do it here. Take everything out, clean the carpets inside. Yeah, it's got carpet in it. It's kind of a brown carpet, so it don't show dirt too bad, but yeah, I don't like carpets in there, but I'm gonna roll with it for a little while, see how it does before I go ripping it out. But I'm gonna clean that, wipe everything down. After being in the desert, just everything's got dust everywhere, inside the cabinet, it's everywhere. You clean it up and it's like, I don't know, it just comes out of places, I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna clean it, everything in there. Old Rusty, you know, he sheds a little bit. Anybody has a pet, you know, something you got to deal with. Clean his bed up. He don't get on my bed, but I'm gonna clean his bed up. Felicia got me a pretty nice vacuum, little rechargeable vacuum. It's got like brushes on it. Does a great job for cleaning his mess up. That's what tomorrow's gonna be. Anywho, I think I'm gonna get off here for now. End this video, and we'll come back tomorrow. Won't be nothing too exciting. I'm just gonna be working on the RV, or cleaning and everything, but I might go around, take the dog for a walk around this little lake. Man, it's good to be home. I enjoy Arizona, I really do, but I start missing all these trees and the crickets. Geese come by earlier. Done seen the beavers, like I said. They come out of there somewhere and they swim across that shoreline, and they go down that shoreline. I don't know where they go, but I done seen them. But yeah, I think I'm gonna say goodnight here, and that's probably gonna be it for this one. Yeah, okay. Getting sidetracked again, seeing things. But yeah, try to see you again. God bless you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.